Well, Pragya, Sandip Ghosh is not being taken out from RG Kaur Medical College. He was the former principal of RG Kaur Medical College who was arrested by the anti-corruption branch of CBI yesterday in the evening, and he was with the CBI officials at the Nizam Palace, which is actually the office of the anti-corruption branch of CBI here in Kolkata. And from the office of ACB, that is Nizam Palace, he is now being taken out. He is being taken to the Bankshall court. There he will be placed in front of the court and CBI the anti-corruption branch will ask for a custody of Sandip Ghosh. You know that Sandip Ghosh was being constantly interrogated by CBI since they have taken the charge of this incident at RG Kaur, what has happened, and when he was again and again he was being interrogated by the special crime branch of the CBI in connection with the horrific rape and murder of Abhaya at RG Kaur Medical College. But at the same time, there was another investigation initiated against Sandip Ghosh by the state government, by the state administration, that was against the financial irregularities at RG Kaur Medical College during the tenure of Sandip Ghosh as a principal. But why these irregularities were not being investigated, or why the state administration did not initiate this investigation earlier, before Sandip Ghosh was being named in this horrific rape and murder case, that was a question. And after that, court ordered that this financial irregularities will also be probed into by CBI, not by Kolkata police or not by CID or not by West Bengal administration. That's why CBI is also investigating the financial irregularities, the allegations against Sandip Ghosh. And in that connection, yesterday in the evening, the anti-corruption branch officials from Nizam Palace moved to the office of CBI's special crime branch, which is situated there at CGO complex in Salt Lake, and there they interrogated Sandip Ghosh for some time, and there were many mismatches in the statements being made by Sandip Ghosh according to CBI sources. After that, he was arrested by the ACB and he was taken to Nizam Palace. His medical health checkup has already been done, and now he is going to be placed before the court where CBI will ask for his custody, his custodial interrogation. Pragya.
Right, it's Kriti here, Shandip, but thanks for giving us those details. For now, to repeat once again for you viewers, Sandip Ghosh is being taken out of Nizam Palace. He was arrested yesterday and his medical test was done in the Nizam Palace. He will now be presented in the Bankshall court. This is even as doctors' protests continue against RG Kaur Medical College administration, and of course the demand for justice for Abhaya, that is continuing to grow louder, but there is significant progress. The BJP has welcomed the arrest of Sandip Ghosh. I want to go back to you, Ishan Dev, to talk to us about the latest inputs that you're picking up from the ground.
Well, Kriti, if you ask your question once again specifically, the question was not clear to me.
And ask you about the latest visuals and information that you're picking up from the ground now.
Well, from the ground, you can see that almost for 24 hours the protests are going on. Yesterday, in the afternoon, the junior doctors started a protest rally towards Lal Bazar, the Kolkata police headquarters. But before reaching Lal Bazar, their way was blocked by putting huge barricades on the way by Kolkata police, and they started a sit-in protest there in front of the barricades. They did not agree to back down. The police officials and almost the top brasses of Kolkata police tried to persuade them from leaving the place, but they did not leave the place, and the protest is still going on.
All right, well, viewers, these are the latest visuals that we're bringing you from Kolkata. Sandip Ghosh, the former principal of RG Kaur Medical College, he is to be presented before the Bankshall court. This after his medical test was conducted at the Nizam Palace, where he was taken after his arrest last night. So Sandip Ghosh on your screens now. The man in the eye of the storm. He is being taken to the court. Sandip Ghosh en route the Bankshall court, being taken out from the Nizam palace where his medical test was done. He was arrested last night, viewers, after several days of interrogation by the police, and now he is en route the Bankshall court. So it will remain to be seen. In fact, let's tell you that the BJP, of course, welcomed the decision and said that it is a big step that has been taken to serve justice to Abhaya. Ishan Deb, Sandip Ghosh is now en route the court. What can we expect from here on?
Well, Pragya, whatever will be instructed by the court, there should not be made any comment regarding that. But CBI will ask for a custody of Sandip Ghosh. But it is expected that CBI is going to get the custody of Sandip Ghosh at least for 7 days or for 14 days. With how many number of days they are going to plea for, that is not clear yet. CBI, you have seen that CBI is taking him out from Nizam Palace, and within 15 to 20 minutes they will be there at Bankshall Court, and there it will be CBI's plea on the part of CBI. There will be the plea for custodial interrogation of Sandip Ghosh in connection with the allegations of financial irregularities made by Sandip Ghosh during his tenure as a principal of RG Medical College. So as you were mentioning that BJP has welcomed the decision, yes, BJP has already welcomed the decision of arrest of Sandip Ghosh, though Sandip Ghosh has not been arrested in connection with the horrific rape and murder case. CBI was constantly interrogating him for days together, for consecutively for more than two weeks. CBI was interrogating him every day. But as there are allegations of severe tampering with the evidences of the rape and murder case, that's why there might be some hindrances in front of the special crime branch of CBI to arrest him. But as there were other allegations coming in, to the surface against Sandip Ghosh of financial irregularities, and as per the instruction of the court, as the CBI anti-corruption branch took up that investigation also. So in that connection, they have arrested Sandip Ghosh, and BJP, not only BJP, all the opposition parties and all the protesting forces in West Bengal, everyone is welcoming this decision of arrest by CBI, though he has not been still taken into custody by the special crime branch in connection with the rape and murder case. But still, at last, Sandip Ghosh has been arrested, and three of his associates, other three names which came in the investigation of these financial irregularities in the case of in the case against Sandip Ghosh, they have also been arrested last evening by CBI anti-corruption branch. So all the protesting forces have welcomed the decision, and they are looking forward to that how many names does come up in the future, and when in the connection with the rape and murder case they are taken into custody. These are also being looked up to.
All right, so it remains to be seen what information has Sandip Ghosh really given to the CBI that is investigating the matter. But what we know for now so far is that he has been picked up in charges for financial irregularities and corruption. He was arrested last night after 14 days of being interrogated by the CBI. He was taken in on corruption charges of financial irregularities. His medical was conducted this morning, and now he's been taken out of the Nizam Palace, being taken to the Bankshall court. There he will be presented before the magistrate, and the proceedings against Sandip Ghosh, who's in the eye of the storm, being considered as a close man of Mamata Banerjee. He was, of course, given several moments and instances, and several attempts to protect him were done in the past, but amidst mounting pressure, the CBI of course, acted against the Mamata government, and Sandip Ghosh was also taken in after days of interrogation. Now, these are the visuals that we're bringing you live from Nizam Palace, where Sandip Ghosh is being taken out of the Nizam Palace and taken to the court. Meanwhile, the junior doctors are continuing their protest. They're now also demanding the resignation of the Kolkata Police Commissioner Vineet Goyal for his mishandling of the entire situation. They are alleging rampant corruption that has started in RG College and in other medical institutions. The doctors are saying that the rape and murder is essentially a fallout of the nexus that has been operating. They are raising concerns about miserable conditions at healthcare facilities and dire situation of the doctors due to these rampant financial corruption. So, corruption in every sphere of RG Kaur by Sandip Ghosh and his associates. The doctors are saying it's only the tip of the iceberg. That's why after days, the CBI has found merit to arrest him. An entire case will now proceed against him.